Hey there, I'm Zakaria Ahmed from Soloitbd. In today's video, we are going to see how we can reset our WordPress website. So without any further ado, let's jump to the video. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Then hover over on plugins. Then click on add new. In the search bar, type WP Reset. Install this plugin WP Reset by Web Factory Limited. Then click on activate. Now hover over on tools. Then you will see an option called WP Reset. Click here. Then scroll down. You will see this box, Site Reset. In this input field, type reset. Then click on this button, reset site. Then again click on reset WordPress. The site has been successfully reset. Now if we go to our website and reload the site, the design is gone. So this is how you can reset your WordPress website. Now if you want to go back the previous design, then you don't have any option to do that. So before resetting your website, you should create a snapshot or you should create a backup. In this WP Reset plugin, we have an option called snapshots, and from here we can create a snapshot. Since we have already resetted our website, so we cannot go back the previous design again. So my suggestion is, before resetting your website, make sure you have created a snapshot. To show you how this snapshot works, I'm restoring my website backup. I'm skipping this part. So I have restored the website to show you how we can use that snapshot feature. To use this snapshot feature, again go to WP Reset. Then click on this snapshots option. Then scroll down. Then click on create a snapshot. You can type any name. Then click on create a snapshot. The snapshot is created. Now let's reset the website again. Now let's check our website. As you can see, the website is resetted. Now if we want to go back the previous design again, we can go to the snapshot. This is the snapshot we have created earlier. Click on action, then click on restore snapshot. Again click on this red button. Snapshot is restored. Now if we check our website again, we have restored the previous design. So you have learned how to reset your website and how to use that snapshot feature. Again, I'm saying my recommendation is, before resetting your website, you can create a snapshot as I have shown you. Thank you.